try and see if I can get... They were all chasing each other a minute ago. I'll just see if I can get them all to come out and see you. Try and get the ducks. And you can... Yes, I know, I'm just coming. Hey, babies. Here they all are. Can you see the Canada geese in the background there? They've been coming for a few days now, just sit in the field and watch. It's so funny, he's chasing the geese. He's so naughty. Oh dear, so funny. I don't know how long this is going to take to download. If it's anything like the last one, it'll take forever. And we'll just look. Who else is here? There's Larry and Lucy. The horses and the Shetland. Very nice day today. And these naughty turkeys. Very flirty turkeys. Are you flirty, boys and girls? Hmm? Are you flirty? Anyway, if you look at the duck in the middle, he's the one with the deformed back. He's not going to do anything now, he's just going to stand there. Come on! See how he walks. Come on then! Better stop there.